Chief Meteorologist Catherine Thompson here. Let's talk about the weather now. Once again, it seems like that weather is just stuck on repeat. Today, temperatures have been warm. We've still been humid, and on occasion, we've seen these showers and storms with locally heavy rain at times, too. You can see those storm clouds brewing there in the background of our Princeton camera. And again, we're still very warm at this hour, still very unsettled. We do have one flash flood warning out for central Fayette County. If you're in that area, be careful. You could see some high water. We had some very heavy downpours that dropped some rain earlier, and we're not done with the rain for the rest of tonight. As you can see, we've still got showers and thunderstorms just on and off, hit or miss across the area. And it's funny though, some people end up with 2-3 inch downpours out of these storms, and others might see a sprinkle come by. So overall, a lot of places are still under average as far as rain goes for this time of year. And some of us have already caught up because of these locally heavy downpours just in certain spots. And that's the exact trend we're going to see last throughout the afternoon and into Friday as well. We do have a flash flood watch in effect. And this is, again, a watch, meaning there's potential for more flash flooding in other areas. Every county in the green under that flash flood watch. Now, Pocahontas, Fayette, Raleigh, Wyoming, McDowell, they're under a flash flood watch right now through tomorrow evening. If you're in Greenbrier, Summers, Monroe, Giles, Mercer, Bland, with your counties will actually go into effect. That flash flood watch goes into effect tomorrow. So the heavier downpours, I'm thinking, will really affect along and east of I-77 tomorrow afternoon. It looks like it's going to be maybe even a little worse than some of the stuff we've seen the past few days. We've got this frontal system moving in, and let me tell you how isolated these downpours have been. I had a lot of people asking me, how much rain did we end up with in Bluefield yesterday? Well, it depended on where you looked. At the Mercer County Airport, that downpour we had barely missed it or barely clipped it, so it was under an inch still at the Mercer County Airport. Raleigh County Memorial actually picked up 0.09, barely anything. But you look at some of these blue swaths that missed the airport but affected other areas of Bluefield, West Virginia, where we had that high water pop up on Bland Street, College Avenue yesterday. You're looking at a 1 to 3 inch downpour spot. So again, it's these local spots. Not everyone's seeing this rain. It's this downpour activity in spots that can quickly overwhelm these drainage areas. So you'll be completely fine on the road. The next thing you know, you're running into some high water. So please be careful out there and keep an eye on things as you're driving around. This activity, again, hit or miss type stuff will be on and off through the evening, and it's going to stay with us into tomorrow. We get a break overnight, but look at tomorrow afternoon, just as unsettled, more rounds of showers and storms, and look at these larger rounds of heavier rain, again, showing up especially east of I-77. So why that flash flood watch is going into effect tomorrow, especially for those areas. But anyone has the potential to see these gully washers, these ditches become quickly overwhelmed as that rain just comes down too hard and fast for the ground to handle. And that's the exact thing we're concerned about, at least the rest of today and Friday. By Saturday, that risk will finally be going down, which is some good news. So to recap, temperatures tonight in the 60s, tomorrow pretty much on repeat again, but I do think the chance for rain does go down a bit through the weekend. It's not going to be quite as many of the downpours we've seen, so maybe a few more breaks of sun through Saturday and Sunday, but keep the umbrella on standby. It's just that time of year that you have the humidity, you have the heat.
Most definitely. It's really rainy out there.
It is.